Terra Classic price grinds closer to a technical breakout, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with the Terra Classic technical breakout. Terra Classic sits between two conflicting yet equally strong factions. The bulls south of the demand area around 0.30's $179 and the bears north of the supply zone approximately at 0.30's $201. Up a mere 0.7% in the last 24 hours, Lunc price hovers at 0.30's $186. A modest 7% increase in the trading volume emphasizes growing interest among investors. The token boasts $1.1 billion in market cap, ranking 101 among all cryptocurrencies, CoinMarketCap data shows. After Terra Classic price skyrocketed to 0.30's $254 in early March, the trend reversed by 37% to 0.30's $151. Although what followed was a dramatic knee-jerk reaction, Lunc did not recover past 0.30's $225. Later, the price settled within a crucial range with support at 0.30's $184 and 0.30's $201. Based on the 4-hour chart, the lower range limit represents the 0.5 Fibonacci ratio, and the upper range limit is the 0.382 Fibo ratio. A narrower scope shows Terra Classic stuck between the 50-day EMA and the 20-day EMA. The ongoing sideways trading in the narrow range means that Terra Classic is experiencing a squeeze, signaling a larger breakout in the short term. Based on the Bollinger Bands, a tighter squeeze could validate a gigantic move in Lunc price. A successful retest of the lower boundary will prop the token for a huge leap. FOMO is bound to kick in as Lunc climbs above the next immediate supply area at 0.30's $2. The move to 0.30's $25 and 0.30's $3 would be drastic and could set the pace for a parabolic rally above 0.20's $1. The technical structure in the daily time frame changes slightly with the Bollinger Bands expanding, and therefore signaling an extended correction to test support at 0.30's $15. Investors planning to seek exposure to Lunc could decide to dollar cost average as prices dip. During the bull market, traders are advised to have a cash-based portfolio to take advantage of the corrections to increase their holdings and maximize the ROI in the long run. Terra Classic holds above key bull market indicators including the 20-day EMA, the 50-day EMA, and the 200 EMA. With that in mind, investors should consider the downtrend being invalidated at a higher support level, 0.30's $18. Let's also talk about that the Terra Classic's Big V242 upgrade proposal unanimously passed. Terra LUNA Classic is all set for another major chain upgrade as the community has unanimously approved the proposal, receiving major support from validators. Terra Classic V242 upgrade to primarily introduce IBC hooks that will enable onboarding of dApps on the Terra LUNA Classic, with mostly notably Enterprise DAO. Software upgrade proposal Upgrade V242 has surpassed the pass threshold, grabbing major support from Terra LUNA Classic validators and the community to update the Terra client to V242. Terra LUNA Classic chain will be halted at block height 17,309,000. It is expected at 16 o'clock UTC on March 25th, as per StakeBin data. The proposal received 100% yes votes from the Lunc holders and validators. All validators, including Allnodes, Orion, Interstellar Lounge, Stakely, and Hapcaddy Crypto, voted in favor of the proposal. The unanimous support indicates the significance of the proposal. There are several changes after a discussion in the community, as every proposal before voting has to undergo a discussion period of a week. The major changes are package forward middleware removed from mainnet release and minimum initial deposit addition. Terra LUNA Classic community has also approved Genuine Labs' major security upgrade proposal, updating key components to Cosmos SDK 0, 4710 IBC Go V7, and WASMD 0450. Singapore-based crypto futures trading platform Weex has announced the listing of Lunc Spot and futures pairs. Users can trade Lunc USDT futures and Lunc USDT Spot on March 11th. Lunc price jumped 1% in the past 24 hours and 4% in a week, with the Terra LUNA Classic price trading at 0.30's $190. The 24-hour low and high are 0.30's $178 and 0.30's $198, respectively. The trading volume has dropped further by 4% in the past 24 hours. USTC price also leaped 1% in the last 24 hours. The price currently trades at $0.035 with a 24-hour low and high of $0.033 and $0.036 respectively. Furthermore, trading volume has increased by 4% in the past 24 hours. Now let's talk about latest Terra Classic price prediction. Lunc has settled below 0.30's $20. With improving overall market sentiment, Lunc broke above 0.30's $20, but after facing resistance just above 0.30's $20, Lunc has once again retreated below 0.30's $20. Since then, Lunc has failed to clear the 0.30's $20 resistance, as it has failed to find enough buyers to drive the price above this level. The support for Lunc is at 0.30's $180, while 0.30's $20 will be the first level of resistance for the asset. The target for Lunc for the next 24 hours will be to clear 0.30's $20 and keep Lunc above 0.30's $20. Lunc has been consolidating between 0.30's $17 and 0.30's $20 for some time, and after finding enough support, the price is once again on the uptrend. For this month, buyers will attempt to push the Luna Classic coin price above 0.30's $3. The Luna Classic community has aspirational questions like, will Luna Classic reach $1 or $10? Lunc price forecast estimates are a function of various analyst opinions. These estimates are based on certain assumptions. The macroeconomics picture is likely to improve in the first half of 2024. We expect substantial improvement in both coin dynamics and macroeconomics in 2025. This should drive the price of Luna Classic significantly higher, but regulatory headwinds could keep the price rise in check. We anticipate 2025 to 30 to be the golden era for blockchains while also facing cyclical economic winds. Still, Lunc could rise significantly higher by 2030. Terra LUNA Classic, formerly known as the Luna token, was launched in May 2022 after the crash of Terra Foundation's UST. To compensate customers, Terra Foundation launched a fork called Terra LUNA Blockchain and Token. Luna Token was rebranded as Luna Classic or Lunc, and much of the control was handed over to the Lunc community. The newer Luna 2.0 token retained the original symbol Luna. While awareness of Luna Classic is moderate, it is backed by a strong community, and their involvement has been integral to the coin's revival. Luna Classic has some use cases, but there aren't too many apps being developed on Terra Classic's blockchain. The top active projects on Terra Classic include TerraSwap, Metagloria NFT, Eris Protocol, Terra Rebels Moonshot, and P2P Lunc Dispute. The Luna Classic community claims an expanding ecosystem that includes TerraSwap DEX, LunaPunk's NFT, Pulsar Finance, Atomic Wallet, Loop, TFM, Hermes Protocol, etc. Many of these are not active on Terra Classic. At the moment, aside from community and an aggressive burn program, there is little to differentiate Lunc from other tokens. While this is a good starting point, it is not enough to warrant a great case for investment. Lunc is currently in the middle of tech improvements and upgrades, which could classify it as a moderate case for investment. Terra LUNA Classic heavily depends on the community to continue its success, but it needs other investors to move the price higher. For that to happen, the Terra LUNA Classic blockchain will have to host a variety of apps and improve the lives of consumers and businesses. US interest rate hikes are likely to end later this year, and some rate cuts may even begin by the middle of next year. The earlier the rate cuts, the better for Luna Classic. Lunc has made gradual progress this year, during which numerous other cryptocurrencies have moved ahead. This will continue to be a big factor going forward. The original Luna was a major player in the DeFi space with billions of dollars of total value locked. The current Lunc ecosystem is thin or non-existent. dApps are beginning to come on board, but at a very slow pace. There isn't much to differentiate itself from other cryptocurrencies either. The Luna Classic community has proven itself to be extremely resourceful in getting things done. Numerous tokens are improving use cases and are better funded and organized than Luna Classic. The returns are way better and the hassle's lower. Ever since Burn was implemented, Lunc has consistently underperformed other coins. While it is fair not to attribute it to Burn alone, the fact is also that many of the other tokens have hardly done anything of value during the same period, but gained on account of market-level pumps. So, how do you think is Lunc price grinds closer to a technical breakout? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.